Mabuhay, good morning. Thank you for calling room service. This is Angelo. How may I help you?
I would like to order breakfast.
Certainly. Before anything else, ma'am or sir, may I know who's on the other line and your room number, please?
Anyone from room 509?
Okay, thank you, sir. For the selection of our breakfast, we have American, Continental, and Filipino breakfast. Which one would you like to prefer, sir?
I want to order Filipino breakfast.
Alright, sir. For your Filipino breakfast, we have the following: tocino, hotdog, and tapa.
Hot dog with
Okay, sir, you would choose the hotdog. For the egg, sir, would you like it to be cooked as sunny side up or scrambled?
dog with sunny side up egg with plain rice.
Okay, sir, sunny side up egg. For your drinks, sir, how about orange, pineapple, or iced tea? What would you prefer?
Orange juice.
Okay, sir, orange juice. Would you like to have brewed coffee also?
Yes.
Okay, sir, would you like to have sugar and creamer for the brewed coffee?
Yes.
Okay, sir, you have already a complete set of Filipino breakfast. Is there anything else? If none, may I repeat your order, sir? You have ordered one hot dog with sunny side up and a orange juice. And also brewed coffee with sugar and creamer. Did I take it all correct, sir?
Yes, that's all correct.
May I ask how many people your order is for?
Good for one person.
I'll take note. How would you like to settle your bill? Cash, credit card, or charge to your room?
I settled it in cash.
Okay, sir, your bill is 350 pesos. May I know how much your cash for me to bring on your change?
I have 500.
Alright, sir. Your order will be served at room 509 after 30 minutes. Please feel free to call the room service if you have any additional order. Thank you for calling and have a nice day. Good morning, chef. For room 509, we have an order of one hot dog, plain rice, and sunny side up egg. Also with orange juice and brewed coffee with coffee and creamer. Okay, thank you, chef.
Room service! Good morning, sir. I am Lori Racoma. Here is your room service order. May I come in?
Yes, you may come.
Would you like me to unwrap your food?
Yes, please.
Is there anything else, sir?
No, thank you.
Sir, may I present your bill now?
Just a minute.
Here is your bill, sir. Sir, I received 500 and here is the change. Kindly sign the receipt. And thank you, sir.